My name is Elizabeth Romero. I'm the Director of the Division of Substance Use and Mental Health for the state of Delaware. And I'm so grateful for our friends at NAMI for giving us the opportunity to tell you about some of the things that we have all over our state as a resource for you for behavioral health. During this pandemic where we're isolating or we're having to go to work, it can feel, as my daughter says, wild. This is a wild experience. And one of her other friends says it's something that feels really chaotic. And to other people, it can feel really lonely. And to others, it may be something that feels very much at home because they telework all the time. But for many, these are things that have changed the way that they have lived their lives, interacted with their children, gone to work. And so this is life-altering for many people. And we may end up feeling things that we didn't realize that are connected to the way that these changes have affected us. So sometimes we may feel a little out of sorts. We may feel like we can't focus as much. Sometimes we might yell at a loved one when we didn't mean to yell at someone. Sometimes we may just want to be alone and not talk to folks, or sometimes we crave to be around people. And quite honestly, there is no right way to be in a pandemic. And so what we're here to better understand and help you understand are all the things that are available to you so that you can talk to someone or connect to someone in a way that helps you manage your stress or your worries in a meaningful way for you. So to access some of the different things that might help you with those feelings or thoughts or emotions, we actually have a number of free services in Delaware that you can go to. Number one is our Crisis and Care line. If you just want to talk to someone to see what might be available for you, that number is 1-800-652-2929. 1-800-652-2929. And they can help identify different behavioral health services that might be good for you. But the other part that's really important about that line is the crisis component, which is if you feel like you're in crisis, please call that line. That line is there for you. There are licensed professionals that actually will respond and make sure you get connected to the care that you need. Another place for those that are more comfortable online is helpisherede.com. Actually has a number of resources, mental health and substance use. And in this time of the pandemic, our providers across the state quickly reorganized to be able to offer televideo, telehealth, and as I'm sure you'll see some of the different folks in other videos, there's lots of different resources for you that connect for online support groups or Facebook groups that you can join, because you really are not alone. There are so many of us that are struggling with this. So helpisherede.com. Now, if you find that you need a service where you're worried because maybe you might need your psychiatric medication, or you just want to talk to a little bit more of a counselor, a little bit more in depth, our Bridge Clinic is here. Every single county in the state has a Bridge Clinic. It's staffed by psychiatrists, social workers, and they again are here to help serve you. And if you call 1-800-652-2929, you can also access an appointment on the Bridge Clinic. Again, our helpisherede.com has a ton of different sources that are best suited to you, because we know there's not one size fits all, and especially for someone who's never actually wanted to even talk to someone or access a service, it can feel a little intimidating, and that's why we tried to make it as easy as possible. So call our number, look online. We have so many different resources for you, and we want to make sure that you access them, because everyone deserves to have someone to talk to, no matter what income bracket you are, what race you are. Everyone should have quality behavioral health, and that's part of what we do at DSAMH, is make sure across the state people have access to the behavioral health system. So we really hope that you look and are able to find what you need, but we are definitely here for you. And it's most important to know there is no stigma, there is no shame. You should never feel bad if someone you love might need help, because this is a really trying time. All of us need someone to talk to sometime. So I hope you know that we're here for you. helpisherede.com. Thank you so much for having me, and we look forward to talking with you.